Dear students, today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 11 for class 7. As you can see here at page number 111. This is the page where the virus chapter 11 is here and we are going to solve the exercise of this chapter. So open the page, that is 140, and we start solving the exercise from fill the blanks. So I am going to read the first question of fill the blanks, that is a computer virus. What do the normal operation of a computer? So here we have to fill disrupt. Right here, disrupt. So the answer will be a computer virus disrupt the normal operation of a computer. Second is computer virus result in loss of what? Of data. So first we have to fill here, that is speed, and then we have to write here destruction. Right here, destruction. The answer will be computer virus results in loss of speed and destruction of data. Now we are coming for the third, that is virus do what in the computer without the permission or knowledge of the user. Virus enters. Right here, enters means virus enters without the permission of the user. Next, fourth is a computer virus causes harm to what that is stored in computer by overwriting them with garbage. So here we have to fill first data, and in second we have to write here program. Now fifth is virus enters through an infected what? Through infected floppy. You can write here floppy, then internet, or it may be by email, that is electronic mail. Now next is virus programs are what? So virus programs are self-replicating. You need to write here self-replicating. This is the answer. Now next, seventh is some virus programs monitor the what in the host computer and trigger on a certain day, like what? So here we will fill in first, that is clock. Right here clock, and at last we have to fill here the name of virus, that is Friday the 13th. And last is what are designed to identify, prevent and remove virus from a computer. So that is what? Antivirus. So we have to write here antivirus. Now we are coming to the true false of this chapter. So I am writing here true and false. How many true false are here? Total number of 10 are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am going to read first one. A computer virus is similar to biological virus. Yes, it is true, because biological virus infects the human body or living being's body, and same as computer virus infects the body of electronic devices or computers. So this is true. Next is all virus programs cause harm to data or programs. Yes, all viruses do that. So it is also true. Third is the virus Friday the 13th gets activated on 25th December. Yes, it is true. Now fourth is virus programs do not replicate themselves. It is false, because virus programs replicate themselves. That we have written in fill in the blanks. This sixth one. Now next is, that is fifth. We should not equip our systems or computers with antivirus programs. No, it is false. We should have antivirus. Sixth, Trojan horses replicate themselves. No, we have to write here false. Trojan horse are type of file or programs that cannot replicate themselves. Next is seventh. Virus can enter in our computer through an infected floppy. Yes, correct. Eighth, virus has no effect on the speed of computer. False. Because of virus, speed could be reduced of the system. Next is, that is ninth. Virus increases the memory of the computer. No, it wouldn't happen like that. Virus decreases the memory of computer by replicate themselves in memory. Next, last is virus stands for vital information resources under seas. Yes, it is true. Now we are coming for the application based questions of this chapter. So first question I am reading for application based question, that is Varsha's computer has got infected with a virus which led to the frequent hanging of the computer. Which software will you suggest her to install in order to solve this problem to remove the virus? She will use what? Antivirus program. So right here antivirus. Now second application based question. Sumit's computer is not working properly. The executable files and programs with extensions like .com, .exe, .ovl, .drv, .sys on his PC have got infected. So what type of virus has entered into his system? That are called program file virus. I have to write here program file virus. The viruses that have their extensions in different orders, that is called program file virus. Now we are coming to the multiple choice questions of this chapter. So first MCQ is, which virus infects the boot record or master boot record? That is boot virus. So answer for first is boot virus, that is B option. Next, second is, which virus is named after the wooden horse used by the Greek army to conquer the city of Troy? That are called Trojan horse. So second is, you write Trojan horse, and it is C option for second. Now third MCQ is, when was the first PC virus released? It was released at 1987, that is C option. Now fourth one is, which one is the name of a virus? Jan 1st, no. May 1st, no. April 1st is the type of virus. Fourth answer is right here, April 1st. It is also C option. Now for fifth we are reading, who released the first PC virus? Again C option. First PC virus is released by Farooq Alvi Brothers. Right here, Farooq Alvi Brothers. Now open next page. If you solve the question answers of this page, that is at page number 116. So the first question of this chapter is, what is a computer virus? Name its types. So the answer will be here. A computer virus is a program that disrupts the normal operation of a computer. And here are the types of viruses: boot virus, program file virus, and macro virus are the type of viruses. Now second question is, write any three possible symptoms of virus in a computer. Means that if we are having virus in our systems, what symptoms we can see to check the virus that is in our system or not. So the answer will be, three possible symptoms of viruses in computer are, first, deleting or damaging files. If files of your systems are going to be deleted or damaging, at that time we are having virus in our system. Second, frequently hanging of the system. If your computer system being hanged, it means that we are having computer virus. Third, decreasing speed and memory of systems. If the speed of the memory or of the systems is being decreased, it means that in our system there is a virus. Now third question is, what do you understand by the term spyware? So answer is, spyware is a type of malware that is installed on computer and collects information about users without their knowledge. So such type of viruses are known as spyware. Fourth question is, explain the term Trojan horse. So the answer will be, Trojan horse are non-self-replicating simple programs that pretend to be useful applications while they always do something destructive. Means they are showing themselves as they are very useful, but when we use them, they are making something destructive in our systems. These are called Trojan horse. So now the fifth question is here. Write any three ways that can help in preventing a virus infection from a system. The answer will be here. To prevent virus infection in computer systems, first, always scan the pen drive before copying files. Second, do not install any pirated softwares. Third, use internet and email very carefully. So these are the preventions that we should have. Now next and last question is, briefly explain antivirus software. Name the antivirus software which is being used in your school computers. The answer is, antivirus softwares are computer programs which are designed to identify, prevent and remove viruses from a computer. And Net Protector NPAV antivirus is being used in our school computers. So students, today's exercise and question answers of this chapter 11 is completed. Next we will do in next video.